of course. Now guys, do you think Dazzle has the ability to find a hidden object? If it's yes, then say, you can do it, Dazzle. Go Dazzle, find the hidden object for us.
Chicken nugget.
And she's down there. Come on, good Dazzle. We straight at Dina.
Ang layo kasi.
Now, for any basketball game. But before we start the battle, I'll be dividing you into two groups. All the girls will cheer for Sassy. Come on, girls, let me hear you say Sassy, Sassy, Sassy. And all the boys will cheer for Rocky. Come on, boys, let me hear you say Rocky, Rocky. All right, girls ready? Trainers ready, set, go. Here's Rocky on his first ball. Follow with Sassy. Okay, another ball from the both of the teams. And one last ball. Who's gonna win this game? What a close game! What can you say about the trainer Regine? You guys lose this time.
Oh, that we want another race.
She wants another race, Trainer Jar.
Are you sure about that? Do you want Sassy to lose again?
Well, this time I guarantee you that Sassy will win.
So what race you are in?
I'm thinking about the ring race.
And what is the ring race?
The first bird will drop 3 rings into the bowl, the fastest the winner, and that is the ring race.
So, the ring race, it shall be. Remember guys, that boys already have 1 point. So girls, let's cheer louder for Sassy to win this time. We'll be doing this again, and this time, our ring race. Ready, set, go! Here's Raka's first win. Followed only by Sassy.
Go Sassy!
And here comes Speed. We are looking to go as Namu or Bandro in Visayas region. And as you can see, we have our homing pigeons. Shade of blue on their back and a solid shade of yellow on their belly and ear. Their eyes and feet are solid black. And there you go, the show has officially started. Round us for chance with Trainer Jared.
Nasa Manila.